Hi students, welcome back our fourth video for class 8. Dear students, we are learning managing file and folder. Okay dear students, in this video we get information about recycle bin. Dear students, recycle bin is our one icon on our desktop screen. This icon means another program. They can store our deleted files folders. Okay, now we can learn. Every file stored on the hard disk on your computer take up some storage space. Sound and picture file tend to be very large. Although your hard disk has room for lot of file, it will not be long before it get full. To free up space on the hard disk, you should delete file you do not need anymore. Just once in our computer system, we store all amount of data. For example, your text file, video file, picture file. There are many types of file we can store. Okay, and we can save. Mm, but some file are will not use. For example, some text file. So we should delete this file because we make a free space in our computer to work a computer very fast and clearly. To free up space on the hard disk, you should delete file you do not need anymore. You need not worry about deleting a file. In case a requirement arises at a later date, you can call it back. Suppose before uh, 1 month you delete one file or folder, but after that, after 1 month, you remember that this file is very important and I want it, then don't worry, because this file not permanently deleted, is stored in recycle bin. Okay, when you delete a file from the hard disk, it is stored in a space on the hard disk which the windows called recycle bin. Here is a recycle bin icon. Okay, here is a recycle bin. Means when you delete any file or folder, then it goes in recycle bin, and in Windows system it called a recycle bin. Recycle means to collect and trade any uh, rubbish to produce useful material which can be used again. The recycle bin in Windows is just that, it enable you to recycle, that is retrieve and reuse a deleted file or folder. Okay, then to get rid of file or folder permanently from the hard disk, however, you have to delete the object from the recycle bin. If you want to delete this file and folder permanently from your computer, then from your recycle bin you can delete. Okay, this turns, this is the recycle bin symbol. First we learn about how to restore a deleted file or folder. Okay, first step, suppose here is my file, ram name is my folder. Okay, now here is large amount of data in my folder. Now I delete this folder. Okay, now how to delete, you know, click right button on that folder, here is a delete option, you can delete. Here is ask, are you sure you want to move this folder to recycle bin? Are you sure you want to move this folder to the recycle bin? Okay, they are asking you, are you sure? Okay, now I, yes, your file is deleted but not permanently. Okay, now how to restore or how to recover our deleted file or folder? Okay, now double click on your recycle bin icon. Here is on your desktop, here is a recycle bin icon, double click. Okay, your recycle bin folder will be open. Okay, the window display a list of all deleted objects along with their details, icon, the drive and folder where it was stored, the date of deletion, file type and size. In this recycle bin window, you can see all your deleted file with your icon and deleted date, okay, and with size. Then how to recover? With the mouse, highlight the object you want to retrieve, click on restore from the file menu or the right click content menu. The selected object will disappear from the recycle bin window and get restored in the original drive or folder. Okay, now how to restore? Find our deleted folder we recently deleted here. Here is my deleted folder. Then how to restore? Click your mouse right button, here is option restore, okay, you can restore. Now this folder will be move, that is a disappear from the recycle bin, okay. Now you can close the recycle bin, here your folder is come, okay. This is the step to restore your file or folder, okay. Just one next, deleting a file or folder permanently from the computer hard disk. Now second point is how to delete your file or folder permanently from your hard disk, okay. Now choose any one file. For example, here is one folder, okay, here is my folder. Now I delete this folder. How to delete? Right button, delete, okay. Now open recycle bin window, find your, okay. Now here is our deleted folder, okay. Now how to delete permanently? Click on that folder, that is here is the option delete. Now delete, here one other message come, are you sure you want to permanently delete this folder, okay, means this folder will be deleted permanently. Yes. Now here in our hard disk, in our computer from system, this folder is deleted permanently, okay. Just one, this is the steps to delete a folder or file permanently. Now next, how to empty the recycle bin? Means there are many data in our recycle bin, okay. In our recycle bin there are many data. Then how to empty recycle bin? Okay, open the recycle bin window. To delete all the file and folder from the recycle bin, click on empty recycle bin from the file menu. Here is the option empty the recycle bin here, okay. Now when you click on empty the recycle bin, one another message will become, are you sure you want to permanently delete these 94 items, okay. Then you yes, then all information will be deleted permanently, okay. Just once you understand how to recover and how to delete file permanently and how to empty the recycle bin, okay. Just once, thank you. Do your practical as possible in available of computer in home, otherwise you can revise this video. Thank you.